Before my breath had found its name, you formed my frame from dust the same. You knew my days before they came. My Maker, holy is your name. You breathed in me your living spark. You kept me safe through nights so dark. In you I live, in you I move, my life sustained by boundless love. When shadows fell and hope grew thin, your word lit paths I'll walk within. No night can stay where you arise, my light who breaks the darkest skies. The world may wane, the laughter cease, but you remain my song, my peace. In trials, fire, or victory's song, my joy, you make my spirit strong. In storms that rage without within, you calmed the waves, forgave my sin. You whisper stillness to my soul, my peace who makes the broken whole. Though graves may loom and fears may rise, your promise lifts my longing eyes. A crown awaits beyond the sea, my hope who died and rose for me. Not gold nor gain, nor fleeting fame can match the glory of your name. To lose all else, yet still have thee, my treasure for eternity. No praise of man, no spotlight's beam could match the brilliance of your gleam. In you I shine, in you I see, my glory all belongs to thee. Each step, each breath, each rising sun is for your will to be well done, until I reach your throne and kneel. My goal, my prize, my all, my zeal.